What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this Honda CRV. This is a 2009 model, and we're gonna change this this PCV valve on this CRV. It has a little marble inside. That's how it works. So over time that thing will get jammed up. You will have a vacuum leak, you will have lean conditions, all kinds of crazy stuff. Misfire can occur. You could burn your oil. So this PCV valve is located right there. You see right there, that pipe right there. It's gonna be a little difficult for me to record, but what you're gonna need is a needle nose to remove the clamp off right there, just like so. Push it back, and then you can use the needle nose to remove the pipe, the vacuum line. Also, you're gonna need well, we have obviously we have the PCV valve. We got a little bit of anti-seize right there. That's the same thing that you would put on a spark that you would get inside the oxygen sensor. There's a part number, Bacardi, part number again, and there goes the box. We have an 18mm with a 3/8 driver ratchet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this ratchet to turn counterclockwise, so we're gonna position it to off position. So simply, you take this little guy, get it right on top of that PCV valve, and you turn it counterclockwise. It is a little rough, and once it's loose, you might get lucky and be able to turn it up by hand. There you go. And it does have a small little crush washer. Very simple. That's how simple it is to replace this. So what we're gonna do is, you are gonna either get a new crush washer, but we don't have a new crush washer. You can reuse it because it's still thick enough, and put that on. If you don't want it, you can put it without it, but I would suggest you put it on. What you do is take a little bit of anti-seize and put it on the threading, and just roll your finger just to try to get it all around, and that's it. That's how simple it is. Then you're gonna take this PCV valve, stick it right back, and I am gonna give you a torque spec on this particular reel. This is 2009 model. 9, 10, 11 is the same thing. One thing I did forget, you guys, is mention a torque wrench. So I have this at 33 foot-pound, and as you can see right there, 33 foot-pound. So you're simply gonna take this torque wrench. If you want to hand tighten it, it's all up to you. You can't hand tighten it, but it would be best if you can torque it. It is a little tight spot, but I'm sure you can manage it. I'm sure this socket fitted on it. So I think this is 18mm. I don't know why it's not doing, maybe this is 17. I'm sorry, guys, but let me figure this one out. Okay, I am so sorry. It's not an 18. 17 is a better fit, so use the 17. That's gonna be better fit. There you go. That fits much better. So this is almost ready to be torqued. Let me give it another tighten it. Oh, it's still going. That crush washer is gonna get crushed. There you go. That's 33 foot-pound right there. So that's done. What we're gonna do next is you're gonna take the pipe. Make sure you put the pipe on, and then you're gonna take your needle nose. Pretty much, it's the last step. Do not forget to put this pipe on, or you will have a vacuum leak. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. You have successfully changed the PCV valve on this 2.4 liter engine. If you guys have any question, subscribe, share, and like, and don't hesitate to send me a message about your question. Anyways, switch the socket to 17mm. So this is pretty much, this is everything you're gonna need: a PCV valve, a little bit of anti-seize, you got a torque wrench, 17mm, a needle nose, and a ratchet. Ignore the 18mm. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.